Welcome to Delalarist Wonderland. Hello, little farmers. Welcome to Farm Animals Adventure, where we'll meet some of the friendliest animals on the farm. Today, we have 5 amazing farm friends. Cow, gentle and loves to moo. Horse, strong and graceful. Chicken, clucky and always pecking around. Pig, playful and enjoys rolling in the mud. Goat, curious and loves to climb. Let's start the adventure and see how many farm animals you can identify. Before we start, let me show you how to play. 1. Look at the picture or listen to the sound. 2. Try to guess the animal in English. 3. You have 5 seconds to think. 4. Then, the answer will appear on the screen. And don't worry, if you don't get it right, just keep trying. The most important thing is to play and have fun. Welcome to Guess the Sound, Farm Animals Edition. Today, we have 5 friendly farm animals. Cow. Horse. Chicken. Pig. And goat. Your challenge is to listen carefully and figure out which animal is making the sound. Are you ready to become a farm sound expert? Let's start. Question 1. Listen closely. Can you hear that? This gentle animal loves to graze in the fields and gives us milk. Which farm friend is making this sound? A. Chicken. B. Cow. C. Pig. Answer: B. Yes, it's the cow. Cows are calm, gentle animals that spend most of their day grazing. Fun facts about cow. 1. Cows have 4 stomachs. They chew their food again and again to digest grass. 2. A cow's nose is like a fingerprint. No two are the same. 3. Female cows make milk, which we use for cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Question 2. This animal wakes up the farm in the morning and lays eggs for breakfast. Who's making this cheerful clucking sound? A. Chicken. B. Goat. C. Horse. Answer: A. Correct. It's the chicken. Chickens are lively and curious, always pecking around the farm looking for tasty treats. Fun facts about chicken. 1. Chickens are the closest living relatives of the T-Rex. 2. Chickens can see more colors than humans, even ultraviolet light. 3. A rooster says, "Cock-a-doodle-doo," to tell everyone it's morning. Question 3. This playful animal loves mud puddles to stay cool and happy. Can you guess who it is? A. Chicken. B. Cow. C. Pig. Answer: C. Yes. It's the pig. Pigs are clever, playful, and love to explore their surroundings. Fun facts about pig. 1. Pigs have amazing noses. They use them to sniff out food and even truffles underground. 2. Pigs are very smart, almost as smart as dogs. 3. Pigs love mud baths. It keeps them cool and protects their skin. Question 4. This curious animal loves to climb rocks and nibble on plants. Who's making this sound? A. Pig. B. Horse. C. Goat. Answer: C. Correct. It's the goat. Goats are adventurous climbers and very curious about everything around them. Fun facts about goat. 1. Baby goats are called kids, just like human children. 2. Goats have rectangular pupils in their eyes, which help them see almost all around. 3. Goats are amazing climbers. They can even climb trees and steep rocks. Question 5. This strong and graceful animal loves running across fields and helping farmers. Who do you think it is? A. Cow. B. Horse. C. Chicken. Answer: B. Yes, it's the horse. Horses are strong, graceful, and have amazing memories. They often understand human emotions too. Fun facts about horse. 1. Horses can sleep standing up, but they also like to lie down for deep sleep. 2. Horses have big eyes, and they can see almost all around them, nearly 360 degrees. 3. Baby horses are called foals, and they can stand and walk just hours after birth. Fantastic job, little farmers! You've completed all our fun farm challenges today. Guess the sound. You recognize the sounds of cow, chicken, pig, goat, and horse. You've learned so much about our farm friends. From the noises they make. Cow, gentle and loves to moo. Horse, strong and graceful. Chicken, clucky and always pecking around. Pig, playful and enjoys rolling in the mud. Goat, curious and loves to climb. Keep practicing your listening, and you'll be a true farm expert in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more fun and educational adventures with animals from the farm and beyond.